Akwaba and found Ragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
Play na sem dear. Ono ukujetu. Sam Rantieno. Omu wiase omu ba ese nkrofo hu fi no mu begu ni ntro. Uyi omu boss a omu ne di ade. Sesem so omu pre hu. Jobere nes to ntro. Ebe twa ntro wo krom ha ni sei. Ene report na o kan mumusa ne se report ne ba yi ben. Na do tie na report ne ba yo. Afei ene wa begina ka say there is a report that the plane has corroded and eroded this anoma. Be consistent with what you are. Can no credit Ghana for me hunu baby ewo. Etuo na asem na wo kan no. Magana for nti ase say one starting nkrophobia dealing already. That you want to acquire arms. Kache Ghana for nkropho na amaka chom so omunko MDC mpanifo na mo so omunko hwehwe plane. Omu lead in acquiring new planes no. Kache Ghana for Nijai say you ubaba be gunkrofo akan se me enimu no na wakotete na akoyete say nkrofo na anye omuno mayi kanokre no so fo say nya bet now baby a ugina here press conference na be gina na catch am so play na nye esesa no and we ni we nti na me feel say pese esesa no ba me ni atro what you see me say stop the campaigning and govern
me say set you playing your queen Akufo can say play na say no mo say onyusu and play ni betimi ayusu so no dey na mama akoppa play na see France mama so onyusu play na
Akufo do ha here Independence Day Kumasi ye hunu so jafo ni amam de begu ho ye hunu sa ta do di na nsa ni nyina asese
o mo pe kwan ko
procurement mo wi sika adia na mo de abeya sa o ma ne bo ama ye hunu to enche o ba ka sa wo koto nyema abre Ghana forces can ntam na kotro na fa usika because na wa bemu de obi entimi no entwimanso bia na ja tro na udi tu nu aso no ano na nye o prokro no aba obi enim se mo plan ya mo fa so nye sika no ye wa de but en me kase armed forces Ghana forces o me nyina asese o me nyina ansese yi enya no kre
and there what can I say defense minister announces $1 billion retooling for Ghana armed forces
o be pes Ghana wia
Yebedi
keke. So be pesca
na Edward Omaneboama, the Minister of Defense has outlined a 15-point vision for retooling the Ghana Armed Forces as part of effort to enhance its capabilities and readiness. Among the 15-point vision is $1 billion investment to modernize the Ghana Armed Forces over 3.5 years. Enu sabe no, some 3.5 years so abemu. And if the next month akono, also the $1 billion ever bishim. Womo kochedi.
$1 billion no, enye say. Welfare of the soldiers in Kamu.
$100 million there.
Womo kochedi.
Welfare of soldiers in Kamu. The friend is estates. Soldier for no pray. Estates and anado ye more. Omo pray for continuation no eno nka ho never
say we retooling
yes
retooling just so waka tro say o say akode ho nyina ye obsolete say I say ye twam nti afa no pese otobishemu
no otobishemu na the human resources na ebe carry sa
ni ho no mo a oto akade e ma security services nse Akufo otobi ma navy fo or to be my armed forces for
helicopter and the first
police for any helicopters
of this country
in the history of Ghana. Akufo Addo ameka baby ada say akode e ho na say and e bi ni huntia. A national security issue. But when you propaganda
say sa na when you just say nkofo bojos before just no. Ni nipa nya na bojos pedo na aye den. Omo tom because when you be ani ti wo.
The school feeding omo bodua. Exactly.
It's just about for expectation no aye dey apaska. Etino anwo din na ene ahokeka na odi koye campaign di ma wo no. Eni hobiem. Etino men na da wo ho. Say ene to aba overwhelming majority na nya be say nya biem. So don't abuse the little power that you have. because transient within the shortest possible time no aban me say NDC aban we ain't go beyond 2028. I swear.
Yeah.
It will never go beyond 2028. Me would
since 7 months, you say 6 months into a year. She said you're more called down.
Omuni bibia omo baba ya efofro.
You're promising in a backtrack and 24 hours. Assessor, you're promising in their campaign. You're no crown and no better.
24 hours, then no babe. Factory ben na wabia o babe. And I say, what is covered by babe factory to be on Mayana. Keke bini ho.
Yeah, and Sunday, okay, and who has some crowd of a kind.
Exactly. Automatic, my dad down, Quafono. Where teacher for you, DNA, a nurse for any, Omoya, where on him, Nagopo, when he be burning people. One was uncle for mobile year, move terminate you or my appointment. No, majority of them were NDC people or NDC sympathizers. My typical example, Koku, Kodua Duasari, Adenta, former MP, was say. Deputy women organizer, identified deputy women organizer of NDC. Niku, no more maritime. The energy. I also are welcome. There are so many of such people. Our NDC sympathizers and NDC members. Say you madi. Sagofona Kufado Fawomo. Kufado and Fawomo say Omoye MPP from Kwawu or from say Ghana for more qualified for a human we have Fawomo. But on buy no, almost say no, we are forward, you may be ano, you terminate to your appointment. Thinking so me, not saying for me MPP for what is wrong with that?
24 hours.
Where you go for it?
I'll say there, Jumaba.
I don't need your Madeba. Binamama, the mother of Fan when I will catch up to once a man, you be a decent. When you may, Sabapaya. Wa Central MP Isaac Adongo that be wa
Central
akoya oka say yenko saboni entoni
Rashid Pelpu
one minister for the
labor and employment
mama onyu what's my okay can not work to so I said
Sam George Okujato
don't go to one and I go for a form so that's here. Mama, all Okujato, Memini Okujato, a smoke a kafaku for the traveling. I say, we are not vice president. My men pass or look at the fine power. I said, my men a day plane, air up and down. So they mention a tata plane.